Hello guys, we are in USA, Virginia Woodbridge, and this is very hard to find these kind of birds. It's very rare. So yeah, so it's very hard to find 1 million. I'll show you up close if you don't go. It's gone. Oh, it's gone. Yeah, right there.